Hello and welcome back to my channel Craft Arts. Today we will learn how to paint the background. Before that, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming video notifications. Now it's time to paint. Let's get started. As you all know, in the last video we have completed our cornflower painting, so today we'll finish the background. And as I told you before, your background plays a very important role in your painting. Sometimes what happened, we create a beautiful piece of painting but afraid of making the background because we feel, what if our background will be a mess? Then our whole painting will be spoiled, right? But you know what, you have to take some risk if you want to learn something, and trust me, it's very easy. Only thing you have to do, you have to got some patience. And before you have created any painting and background, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that is if your subject is in dark color shade, then choose a lighter shade for your background and vice versa. Here I am painting with permanent green and yellows. I have taken gambit yellow and yellow ochre, and you can see how I am gradually changing the shade. One most important thing you have to remember, whenever you are painting the background, try to leave some white space around the subject so it will highlight your painting. Here you can see I'm leaving some white space near the petals and around the leaves. Here I have sprinkled some water. It will create a beautiful water spot effect when it will get dry. And I think we are done. So if you like my painting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you with another exciting video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and you know what to do. You have to keep practicing. Click on the left side video to learn on weight watercolor flower, and click on the right one for simple floral painting. Take care and bye bye.